Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing about how to use a custom model in a prompt template. So before get started, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm in a sales console, so we can find all the model related we can access models from the Einstein Studio app. Let me open the app Einstein Studio from App Launcher. So we can find in within Einstein Studio, we can find all the model libraries are available, which are Salesforce enabled. We can add foundation model, configure foundation model as well. And we can find the custom configured models from the generative tab. And we can see like here, all are these are the custom configured model, and these are the standard configured model. And let me open this one. So its parent model is OpenAI GPT-4 Omni Mini. We can directly create the prompt here using this model as well by clicking this button, or we can edit this model and we can see the different kind of configurations, and I will show you how to use this model in a prompt template. Like I have created this prompt template, this model on top of foundation model like Omni AI, OpenAI GPT-4 Omni Mini, and its capability like chat completion, and its temperature is set it to like 0.4. So in the advanced settings, there are different settings available like a temperature, frequency penalty, presence penalty. Using the temperature attribute, we can find means we can set the temperature from 0 to 2.0, and if we set a lower number temperature, then the outcome of the response will be more predictive. But as the number increases towards to 2.0, then it become more unpredictable and random in variance, like said in the help text, like controls the creativity of a response. A lower number indicates greater predictability in the response, and a higher number indicates more variance and randomness. And again, frequency penalties for like lower the repetitiveness of the generated words. A higher number indicates it's less likely the words will be repeated. And final one, the presence penalty increases unique words in a response. The higher the number, the more unique words used. So let me show you one example, like this one. So this is how we can test a prompt before using this custom model in a prompt template. So we can change by changing the temperature and see the prompt response. Let me set it to 0.5 and generate the prompt again. It's more realistic, like and we can update this model or save a new one. So the custom model is configured. Like now I will show you how to use directly this custom model in a prompt. So from the quick find, we can search for prompt builder, and we can see all our prompts. So let me choose one of the prompt like account summary custom. So in this prompt, I have used like one record snapshot element within this workspace. Like this snapshot is nothing but it's like selects the data available on the running user page layout for the object for grounding, includes a limited set of details, lookups, and related list and their records for the object. Record snapshot is nothing but uh, create a summary for the record, like it will create the summary of the account record directly. So let me show you one example by running this for the Dickinson PLC account, and I'll pass the record name in here and preferred language English and preview. So in here we can see all the account related summary as well, like account ID, related contact, as well as opportunities. All the account summary will be provided. And in here we can see a new thing is added in the response, like view data masking details. So with this information we can see what are the data being masked before sending it to the LLM, like PII information, personally identifiable informations will be masked, like email, the person name, phone numbers will be masked. So masking type is pattern based. So let me show you how to use that custom model that we have created. So currently it's using the standard one. So clicking on this model type, I can choose the custom, and in here we can see all the custom model available in our model library. And we can, by clicking this view this model, we can directly access the model from the prompt template. So just switching it to custom and selecting the appropriate model, we can change it and we can save the template. And let me preview again. So this is how we can simply use the custom created model in a prompt template, and we can test the prompt template different scenarios for changing its settings, like changing the temperature, frequency penalty, presence penalties, to make it more meaningful. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.